Morning, dear student. Today I am telling you about the rotational mechanics. Though I had told you initially, but that was about a particle. But here you have to study about the rotational mechanics of system of particles. It means where a system is made up of more than one particles. See the example, about the you have most of you have seen the well, either not in actual so in virtual way you had seen the well. So how the water is being dragged from the well with the help of rope which is wounded about the circular ring, and when the bucket is released the pulley start rotating. So the pulley start rotating, the circular ring start rotating, and the bucket goes down, and the pulley rotates more rapidly as the bucket goes down. This system you have seen. So what is happening in this system, the motion of that pulley is what? Rotational motion. The bucket is doing which one motion? Linear motion. Bucket is doing linear motion, but pulley is doing rotational motion. So in this case the rotational motion is not uniform. Why? Because initially the acceleration was less. Acceleration of center of mass is how much? 0. Why? Because pulley remain at its own place. Pulley is not going anywhere, but pulley is doing rotational motion about its mean position. So he's saying acceleration of center mass is 0. The resultant acceleration force is also how much? 0. So no resultant force is acting on the pulley, but still the pulley is rotating. Even the pulley is not rotational equilibrium, and we shall now study this type of motion. So this is only called rotational motion. Now this is about the rigid body. So see, as he had taken an example of a ball. Suppose he is rotating this ball like this. So what is happening? The particle of the ball are changing their position with respect to time, but center of mass or center of rotation of this body remain at its own place. It is not doing any motion. So it remain at its own place. So he is saying that different particle move at different circle. This particle is moving in different circle, this particle different circle, this particle different circle when I am rotating any object, depending on distance of particle from axis of rotation. Suppose this is the pencil. I want to rotate this pencil like this. So this is called axis of rotation. So particle this, particle this, particle this, particle this, all particle are having different distance from axis of rotation. Is this clear? So accordingly the particle on the axis remain what? Stationary. So at this axis all particle remain stationary. So that's why we say, since the displacement of rigid body in which the given line is held, I'm holding it here, is called rotation of the rigid body about the given line. So this is called given line because rotation is happening about this line. So this is called fixed line or rotational line or axis of rotation. So there are so many examples of rotational motion. You have seen about the door of your almirah, door of your room. So that hinge is connected along with the frame with the help of axis of rotation. And handle is always kept perpendicular to the axis of rotation. So whenever you have to open the door, so you will always apply force perpendicular to the surface of door. So another example he is saying here, the ceiling fan in your room, and when it is on, each point of the body goes on a circle. So do circular motion, locate the center of circle traced by the different particles on the 3 blades of the fan and body covering the motor. So all these centers lies in the vertical line through the center of body axis of rotation. It means about which they are rotating. So their center of mass lying at that point. Understood? So you have seen the gas stove panels in the kitchen. You are turning it left and right. So this is also called what? Rotational motion. But axis of rotation is what? The knob. Understood? So always you are applying force. You are applying force perpendicular to the axis of rotation. So there are so many examples. Sometimes the axis may not pass through the body. It is also possibility that sometimes the axis of rotation is outside the body. Consider the record rotating on the turnable table. You have seen the turnable table. record player. Suppose a fly is sitting on the record near the rim. Understood? Look at the path of any particle of the fly. It is a circle with the center vertical line through the center of the record. Record means whatever you are recording with the help of player. The fly is rotating about the vertical line. So it means it is outside. So consider the fly as a rigid body. So fly is also what? Rigid body. The axis of rotation is lying completely outside the fly. So fly is not having its axis of rotation within the fly, but its axis of rotation is on the rotational table. Understood? So that's why we say each particle of a rigid body moves in a circle with the center of all the circle on a straight line, and with a plane of circle is perpendicular to this line. Plane of circle is always perpendicular to this line. So we say the body is rotating about this line. So the straight line itself is called axis of rotation. So it means it is not always possible that rotating body is having its axis of rotation within the body. It may be outside the body also. So that's it. So thank you. And next video I am giving to you about the kinematics.